Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Trust me, here we've got three dots icon, as you can see. So let's tap on it and let's enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove all of them one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove not only the browsing history but also some more data, just tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will leave everything marked. What's more, we've got the time range, and we can change it from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data. Your device will ask you if you want to clear site storage, so I will tap on clear, and as you can see right now the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting from the list of visited websites and ending on the saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.